reviewing this pistol here. It's an airsoft one. It's a Ruger P35, and you know, it was 34 bucks. I'm pretty impressed, let's be honest here. Alright, now I don't have any targets set up or anything like that, so we're just gonna kind of plink around with this thing here. Alright. Well, you know, I did put some pretty good damage to that box, so I mean, I think it's 450 feet per second. But yeah, I recommend going and getting one of these things off Amazon. It's a pretty good gun for a starter pistol, I'd say. Yeah, load it. It's pretty simple. And you pull the thing all the way down. I have a speed loader. I think it holds like 15 or something like that. Safety's on the side right there. But yeah, I do recommend this, guys. So it's not too bad. It's a Ruger brand. It's licensed by Umarex. So yeah, go pick one of those up for yourself, guys. All right, peace.